Have mercy on me, Lord, my strength is gone. Do not rebuke me in your anger, or discipline me in your wrath. Be merciful to me, for I am frail. My bones are in agony. Have mercy on me, Lord, my strength is gone. Turn, O Lord, and deliver my soul. Save me in your loving devotion, for there's no mention of you in death. Who can praise you among the dead? Have mercy on me, Lord, my strength is gone. Leave me, all you workers of iniquity, for the Lord has heard my weeping. The Lord has heard my cry for mercy. The Lord accepts my prayer. Have mercy on me,